morning, students. Students, do you know that our Taj Mahal, which is one of the 7 wonders of the world, is turning yellowish. It is made of white marble, but recently the marble is turning yellowish. But why? Because of this pollution. Because there are different factories, a number of factories around this Taj Mahal in Agra, and harmful chemical and gases coming out from these factories is turning our national heritage into yellowish color. So the government immediately, they stop those factories and ask them to shift to other places from being there near Taj Mahal. And many plants have been planted around Taj Mahal. So you can see, children, that how the trees and plants help us to stop pollution. Even there are many trees planted near this Red Fort and other national heritage sites to preserve these monuments, to preserve these buildings, because they were built long time ago and they should be preserved. In this way, plants are helping us to preserve these monuments or these palaces, forts and other national heritage sites. Children, it is our duty as a citizen, as a future generation, you should take different steps to stop pollution. We should not waste water. We should see that our water taps are closed when not in use. We should switch on lights and fans or other electrical gadgets whenever it is not in use, like television. Whenever you are not watching it, please switch it off. We should check that there is no wastage in our electrical gadgets or even in the water. Sometimes there is a leakage in your taps and that creates a lot of wastage. The waste should be done properly. We should not throw waste here and there. Many a times while moving in a vehicle, we throw the waste products out of our vehicle's window and we are creating pollution everywhere. We think that we are just passing by, it will not affect us, but it is harming our planet. That's why alternative sources of energies are being harnessed to produce electricity, to run vehicles and other electrical gadgets. We should take a serious note of it. Children, we have already discussed about the use of 3 R's. You all know about it. The 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. Communities are beginning to set the value of reducing waste. We have to reduce waste. We are wasting too much. We should not waste even food products. Whatever we need, whatever we can eat, that much only you take instead of wasting. There are so many people who are going to bed without having their food. They cannot afford to have proper meal a day. So reduce means using less. Whatever we really need, that only we use. Reuse means use it again and again. Once you just throw it, don't do that. You can use it in a different way. And recycle means make something new from something old. Okay, like you have old clothes which are torn. It can be made into a bag. You can use your old newspapers to make paper bags. Say no to plastic. Use paper bags or jute bags or cloth bags. Okay, and in this way we can do something. We can stop pollution and reusing, recycling, and we can reduce using waste. Reduce simply means living more carefully so that you can have less rubbish to get rid of. Avoiding waste is preferably option of waste management. We have discussed all this. For example, use online material, avoid using paper excessive. Nowadays, most of the things are being done online instead of writing in the paper and having files after files. You can see how much we are going electronic. We are using electronic gadgets more and more. When shopping, look for purchase minimal packaging. So packaging should not be very big that you take out the product and throw it in the dustbin. So minimal packaging should be there. Reuse means to use the same item more than once, preferably many times, rather than disposing of it after one use. For example, reuse glass for the purpose such as vases and other decoration. As we discussed that glass, they take a long time to decompose, so we can use the glass in different way, like for our pen holders or maybe keeping some items of flower pots and all that. Recycle. Recycle means to process used material into new products to save resources and energy. For example, papers for wrapping presents, use paper to sketch or look at. Even your calendar, old calendars can be used for writing. One side it is blank, so you can use it for writing. In this way, this recycling, even the newspapers are recycled and made into fresh paper. Even you must have seen the shopping bags are written recycled paper. So in this way, we are doing something and we should be carrying ahead with these things. Okay, so reuse, reduce and recycle. Reuse and recycle, we should, as we said, that we reduce generating waste, and reuse and recycle, this is done to reduce the accumulation of waste like metals, paper, clothes, rubber, plastic, which are harmful, and throwing it in the landfills, open areas, plastic, rubber, metals, whatever we find and we throw it, glass, these material can be reused directly or recycled and then reused. So we can reuse them, recycle them, and renewing it instead of throwing it in the garbage bins and then in the landfills or open dumping areas or in the drains which are blocking, choking the drains, plastic they choke, even the animals they chew up this plastic and they get suffocation and they may die also. So all these things should be taken care of. Okay, thank you, Chief.